are we? Yep, getting there.
Hola from Spain.
Hola.
So, how did we end up here?
That is the question.
Find out here. What are we doing?
We are organizing. We are trying to decide what to give away, what to keep, what to bring to Spain, because we're moving to Spain in March. Yay!
Let's do it.
Let's do it. How's it going, baby?
It's going good. Bro. These are the Philippines. We're doing this because we're gonna move out of this apartment. Because we're going to Spain.
Yeah.
We're booking our flight to fully packed car.
Hello. A little bit squished in here, but it's all good. We're packed and ready to go.
Heading home for the first unpacking.
God, baby, it's too much. Let's do this.
Hi.
Hi. Last week we moved out from our apartment in Stockholm and been spending this week packing, fixing, arranging stuff in the basement at your parents' place, getting ready for this move. You gonna fit it all?
hotel just by the airport. Tomorrow we're moving to Spain.
Oh yeah. And we just got the results back from the COVID test that we took yesterday. And they were negative. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we're definitely ready. So we'll be checking in with you guys later.